Hello everyone, my name is Alexis Christensen and I am the Summer Reading Program Coordinator here at the Weyburn Public Library. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make the stop motion movie from our stop motion movie Take and Make kit for the Summer Reading Program. So if you're watching this, you probably have your kit already, so follow along with me and I will show you how to make a stop motion movie. Okay, so what we're going to do first is download the stop motion movie app. So the stop motion movie app, it's just called Stop Motion Studio. And it looks like this. So it's like got a little camera, and on the instructions it's got a better picture so you know you're getting the right one. It is free for both Apple and Android. So while that's downloading, I already downloaded mine. So while it's downloading, we're going to build our phone stand. So in our kit, we have a small base plate, which is tan, a large base plate, which is blue, green, or gray. We have a pizza box, which is white. You'll have a variety of different size Lego bricks, and you'll have a Lego character, which you have to put together. I already put mine together, so I got Wilma Flintstone. So we're going to build our phone stand. So to build the phone stand, you need your small base plate and your Lego bricks. So you're going to take a 2x4 Lego brick, so one of these ones, and put it sort of near the center of your base plate. So mine's about 4 rows from one of the sides, and then I placed it there. So it's kind of in the center. The center is got a little button there, so you know that's the center. Then I'm going to take another Lego brick, same size or equivalent. So I'm going to use 2 of the 1x4 bricks and place it 2 rows in front of. So I'm going to place it here, 2 rows in front of the other brick. Then I'm going to make sure that my phone is going to fit in place. So I'm going to set my phone in here, make sure that, it fits. It's got like enough room to, fit without being too tight. And it does, so that's perfect. So then I'm going to build up one of my sides so that my phone sits a little bit straighter. So my phone sits about this straight with 2 bricks. I think that's a good angle for creating the movie, but I have to check when I open the app later. So that is done. I'm going to place a little bit of sticky tack just kind of on the bottom or the side. I'm going to place it right here on like the side of the brick, and then a little bit at the bottom, just so that the phone doesn't move when I'm going to take pictures, because that would suck if the phone started moving. So now it's like super secure. I'm not going to see, it's like super secure. It's not going anywhere, so that's good. So I placed a little bit at the back of the phone, and then a little bit at the bottom. So make sure that it doesn't move. So now that's done, we're just going to set that aside. So it's going to the side. And now we're going to take the rest of our Lego bricks, move them to the side, and now we're going to build the stage for our movie. So we're going to take our pizza box, we're going to open it up. So open it up, and what we're going to do is we're going to tape the corners open because they don't like to stay open. So we're just going to take our tape and just prop them open and tape it, so then they stay nice and open. Put the tape on there. I am using painter's tape because that's what I have, but you can use like just regular tape that you have in your house of some kind. I don't know what kind of tape you have in your house, but whatever kind you have in your house, turn this around and tape this side so that they stay open at a nice 90-degree angle. Take tape here, and there we go. So now that we have this open. We're gonna flip the box over and get our backdrop ready. So the bottom of the stage is the bottom with these two little flaps. So there's a flap on each side. That's going to be the bottom. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna fold this piece down and make sure your flaps are on the outside of that piece. So it looks kind of like this. So there's the flap and there's the back piece. Then we're going to tape that. So you don't need a big piece of tape, just a small piece of tape. And tape that piece in place. I'll show you what that looks like in just 1 minute. I'm just going to tape both these sides. And then I'll show you what that looks like. So it looks like this now. So the box would close perfectly once that was taped, but we're not going to do that. We are instead going to fold the pizza box the other way. So it looks like this now. So I'm going to tape the pizza box and just put a nice strip of tape right along this edge there, and then same with the other side. Just tape it shut so that it's not falling over on you. So it looks like this, and then your pizza box should stand. So there's your little stage for your movie. You can color and decorate the background if you want. That's complete. I'm just gonna leave mine white for sake of time and because I don't know what I would draw on it. So next we're going to attach our bottom to the pizza box. So our bottom, or our main stage, is this large base plate. So mine is green like grass. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my phone stand, take my phone out of it first because I would hate to drop my phone, and I'm going to attach it to the one corner of my base plate. So make sure it's secure there, it's not going anywhere, and so it's in one corner, so there's room on those three sides. And then I'm going to take that and I'm going to tape it to the pizza box. So the large base plate fits perfectly on the pizza box, so we have to make sure it's secure and snug all the way to the back. So I just rolled up a piece of tape and I stuck it on one on each side. Just turn that over. And then take your pizza or your base plate, fit it right on the back, push both sides down, and there is your little stage for your stop motion movie. So next we're going to actually make the movie. Now's the fun part. You're going to open your app. So when you open your app, it takes you to a screen that looks like this. I have a couple movies that I was working on earlier. So what I'm going to do is open a new movie. I'm going to turn my phone around though. So I'm going to click dismiss. You are welcome to read what that says, but I've read that already, so I know what it says. So you're going to take it and you're going to put your phone where it needs to go. Make sure that, everything's in frame. You don't see any of your wall or your table. Make sure everything's nice in frame, and you're ready to start your movie. So you're going to place your little stop motion character wherever you would like them to start the movie. So I'm going to start her right there. So what we're going to do is to start our movie when we're ready. We're going to click the little camera button at the top. So there's a lot of things that you can play around with here, but for the purpose of this instructional video, just going to show you how to make the movie. So you're going to click the camera button, and it takes you to a frame that looks like this. And to take a picture, you're going to click the red button. So it's taken a picture. Once it's taken a picture, you are going to move your character just a little bit. I'm going to make her walk. So go. Then you're going to take another picture. Then she's going to walk. She looks like she's falling over. And then you're going to take another picture. So move your character. I don't even know if that's in the same spot anymore, but you get the idea. Move, picture, move, picture. Only little bits. If you want to see what your movie looks like at this moment, there's a little play button underneath the big red circle. You're going to click it, and it'll show you what your movie looks like. So there's Wilma Flintstone walking. She's just walking back and forth because it just keeps playing it. So then I can keep going. I'll be like, okay, next frame is this one. She turned her head. I don't know what she sees over there, but now she's gonna go check out what's over there. Then we turn her again. Then we can watch it. See? Just like that. So, that is like 1 second of a movie. You need 6 frames, so 6 pictures for every 1 second of your movie, so you will need to take lots and lots of pictures. I am not going to make a complete 30-minute movie for the sake of this video, because I don't think you want to watch me make 30 minutes of pictures. To export your movie, say this movie's good enough. I'm going to go back. Then I'm going to click back again. Then I'm going to click, there's a select button here at the top. You're going to click select. You're going to click which movie you want to export. So I want to export the one that I just made. You're going to click it, and you're going to click this little like webby button. It's got little share. Most people know what to share. And you're going to just click the first one, which says export video. And you're going to export your movie. And you can save it wherever you want. You can like just save it as. I'm not going to do that because I don't need to save it. It's on my phone. Yeah, so I look forward to seeing your videos when they're done. Thank you for watching the video and following along. I want to see what you guys come up with and look forward to seeing your guys' imaginations and just some reminders. Do your reading, get your prizes. This week marks the halfway point for the summer reading program, so we only have 3 weeks left until we're done, which means summer's half over. And yeah, make those movies, send them my way at the email on the instruction sheet, which is lexusdawn01@gmail.com. And yeah, send me your videos. I'd love to see what you guys come up with. And thank you for watching, and I hope you guys have fun and take care.